Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul. I hardly ever have the time to go to Dollar Tree anymore, but I really needed to go stock up on some supplies. And given a subscriber friend of mine, her name is either Leanne or Luann, who even says she likes my haul videos, and could I please do some more. So here goes. I bought one of their mops. I like these. They're $1. They're throwaway, and you can even take the mop head off and clean it real good. And with all this rain that we've been having down here in the south, our basement kind of flooded, so a lot of the supplies we got is for that. So that and some bleach. And then I like this to clean like the bathrooms and stuff. And then over here, just some tissue and to go in my room. And I usually don't buy dryer sheets or the little washing powders and the fabric softener there, because with couponing and stuff you can get a better deal at a grocery store for the bigger ones. But I wasn't going nowhere else today, so I just bought this to get me through until I do. And then they had their bags of the potting soil in, that once they get them in, they run out quick. That is just simply for me to, at Walmart, I bought some cat grass. So, and thanks to Larice from Larice's Kitchen, who told me about that, just to grow it for the cats to have. So I finally found some of that seed. And then my hair's getting real long, so I bought me some hair clips. And then a spray bottle for Ricky to put some bleach and stuff in there to clean up downstairs. And then Ricky drinks that where you get the apple cider vinegar that says, you know, with the mother and everything. So where you can either drink a teaspoon or tablespoon of it by itself, or put it in some water. It's supposed to be good for a lot of what ails you. I can't do that because I tried it and it just tastes too bad. But he can, and so we got him that. And then I got me some regular white distilled vinegar. Now I use this for cleaning, mopping my floors. Mix it with a little bit of water and it's wonderful. And then these gloves, I love these. And they're getting to where they don't have them in stock, so they had 2 packs. So I went ahead and bought the 2 packs. And then I get my kosher salt there. And they hardly have the Heinz, the actual name brand Heinz 57, but I like this. And with spring and summer, we'll be doing a lot of grilling. I'll go ahead and buy that up. And then a little laser pointer for the cats. And some Andy's candies. And then Ricky likes the sweet tarts. It's the chicks, ducks, and bunnies for Easter. And then a mop bucket. And that's my Dollar Tree haul. And I want to show you what I've got at Sam's to try. And I actually like them. In the mornings, I just eat just as little possible to go ahead and take my morning medication and all. So usually I'd eat just a Pop-Tart. 2 comes in a pack, but I would just eat 1. And I really didn't care for them. So I saw these and wanted to try them. The Special K Pastry Crisp. And it is, I know it's like, yeah, where is it that it tells the calories? It don't have much calories in it. I think it's, yeah, 100 calories per pouch, and there's 2 in the pouches. Now you can buy this case at Sam's for, I think it was $9.96. It has the brown sugar cinnamon, just 1 box of it. And then the strawberry and blueberry, and my daughter loves the brown sugar cinnamon. It's alright. I like the strawberry and blueberry better. And these are good just to even snack on. So my camera is needs a new battery change. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.